Hello guys, welcome. So ready to boost your focus with the GOGH app. This free app mixes Pomodoro timers, lo-fi vibes, and a super cute avatar creator to make studying or working way more fun. So guys, first let's open up the app and start creating our avatar. So as you can see, before we head to the room, tell me your name and appearance first. Let us press start. Let us begin. So you can choose the basically different presets. For example, you can choose hair, eyes, what is that? Eyebrows, lips and stuff, eyeshadow, even the beard. So you can just customize whatever you like. I'm just going to save it the way it is. Now let's assign your name. Let's say, I don't know, test. Okay, next. Now your birth date. Let's choose, for example, 2002 or something like that. Next. Okay, as you can see, the avatar is now ready. So, guys, in general, you can get focused now. You can tap on the timer icon to start a Pomodoro session. Let us press next again. Next. Okay, so you need to also sign in. Let us do that. Okay, guys, so after basically signing up for the first account, let us continue. As you can see, select your room style. So I'm just going to choose this one, the default one. Choose this, press on that. Right, so for the best focus, we recommend the following settings. You can choose allow or disallow notifications. I'm not going to choose them. Let me reduce the sound. So as you can see, you can focus with sound and timers. Next, create your workspace. Next, work together in the space. Next. So as you can see, you can drag your workspace. You can take a look at what your room looks like. And yeah, now just to make it fun, add stickers to your avatar or room through the 50 sticker limit tight per Reddit. Join the Focus Together space to work alongside global users in shared virtual rooms. Only one exists now, but it's chill. Use camera mode to snap or record your setup for Insta or TikTok. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use this app. Hopefully you enjoy our tutorial. Press like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.